So today we're going to be replacing this trim piece for my 2011 Chevy Colorado, and you can see how faded this is compared to the bottom lip. So that bottom lip is actually new. I got that a few months ago. The main reason why I'm replacing it is because of this crack right here. I was lazy and I didn't feel like, I didn't want to repair it. I just wanted to buy the whole piece, and also I didn't want to spend time. I just didn't want to deal with all this, so I got this part for like $43. It was $52, but it had a 20% discount, so I got $42, so that's not bad in my opinion. Alright, so before you start going crazy with the removal process, I heavily advise you guys to use a body trim tool or something of this sorts right here, so you don't damage anything, and it actually makes it easier as well for the removal process. Alright, so my darn trim tool broke, courtesy of these plastic trim pieces. So what I ended up doing is I noticed that this has a pocket. So this is how I have it in right now. This is how I took out the last one, which was like super easy. But let me open this up. Take that out. I noticed it had a lip in here, and I basically just shoved this long needle nose plier in there, and then use the bumper itself, use the trim piece itself as leverage. So out of all three of them, I had one that broke on me because I was still figuring out how to take it out, but that's okay. I do have a plastic trim panel box or whatnot with a bunch of clips. Hopefully this is in there. See if I can find it. Alright, so I actually don't have any of those clips. What I will do is I will put the damaged one in the middle when I reinstall it, and I'll try to find some of those clip pieces online. Alright guys, so now we're on the very end basically, so where the wheel is, right here on the end. So I didn't have one for this one, but I think years ago I put an improvised body clip in there that's much smaller than it's supposed to be, but it worked. And there was one here as well, so you're gonna have to pretty much do the same thing over here. And yeah, so there's gonna be two left on the other side, and that should be it. This whole thing should just come out. Okay, so we had a slight problem here. So I lied to you guys. There's actually two more clips under here, so I took the two out this way, but now there's two more inner. But the problem is that it's literally right behind the fog light assembly. So as you can tell, I removed the fog light from this side. It's held together by two bolts. This should be 10mm size. And now I'm gonna remove these, and much easier access than all the other ones I've done. And then do the same thing for the other side, and then they should come off. All right, so all the clips are removed. So at this point, you just want to pull on the entire thing. You probably want to work on one end and then take it out like that. All right, so just remove the bottom lip, which is this one from the old one, and then we're gonna place it on the new one. Easier said than done. All right, so don't forget to place your clips on each side. And what I actually did was I did end up utilizing my plastic clip box, and I just found some that would fit properly on here, and this is not going to be coming out. This is pretty sturdy. So yep, so now we're going to take this to the vehicle. All right, so this is how the bumper turned out, and I also took the liberty of putting some window cleaner on the fog lights since I had to remove the fog lights, so they look pretty clean now. So that's how that turned out. So appreciate you guys for watching. Hope you guys learned something during this video with the removal process and adding the piece to it. Feel free to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to stay up to date when I upload videos. Thanks for watching. And also my SoundCloud is linked in the description below if you want to check that out. And that'll be all. I will see you guys in the next video.